Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how to use AI to produce a YouTube thumbnail. So the tools we'll be using are CArt AI, an upscaling app that I'll demonstrate that is entirely free. And then there's Canva, which you can use for free as well. So the first thing that comes to me when I think about thumbnails is, what is that background going to be? I have some ideas, but what I like to do is go to CArt AI and glance through the feed to gain some inspiration. I'm thinking that it will be maybe some type of futuristic art class or something like that, just because it is going to be AI, so something like this, stunning neon biopunk theme. So that's what I'm going to take. Yeah, I'd just read through Explore feed for inspiration and see if anyone else has any ideas that I can kind of copy. I like this model and hit remix to begin this process. So I'll simply add prompt biopunk theme background, vibrant and eye-catching futuristic art class, high resolution. Since I want the thumbnail to be vibrant and eye-catching, then I'll do a 16:9 aspect ratio, which means it'll be more horizontal. So let's just see what type of image CArt comes up with, and I kind of like this one here, and I could see myself adding some text right here, and maybe another image here. I can always return and make changes later. So I'm going to click on Upscale and then Generate, and I'm simply going to download this, so we're going to upscale more by using a free tool. And now we'll go to Upscale Media, which is a tool that can help us with that. We're going to do is just click on Upload Image, and I'm going to upload the image. From there, this tool will essentially just make the image less grainy and a bit higher quality in terms of overall graphic quality. So this is conventional upscaling followed by AI upscaling to 2x. We'll see how that one turns out. So let's have a look at that. Okay, great. So let's head to Canva and start experimenting with this. So let's go to Canva and click on YouTube thumbnail. Simply start with a blank one. And from here, we're going to play around, and you can see there are some themes here. But I'm simply going to drag in our AI image here. I'm also going to make this image the background. So right-click and select Set as Background. Then from here, I'd like to do now is return to CArt, and I'll type male character inside the search field because we'll establish an AI version of a curious character. I'm intrigued by this model, so I click on Remix. Following that, you can add prompt in here. Cartoon, light-skinned, nerdy guy with a curious emotion, hands on hands, standing, short haircut, wearing baseball cap. HD, high resolution, one character, realistic. This is what we got, and download whatever you like. We'll then move on to website Remove.bg from there. So I'm going to submit the photograph from which I want to remove the background. And there you have it. So I made it a transparent character now. So I'm going to press the download button. If you like, you may also upscale the regular one. I'm going to keep things basic and return to our D sign. And I'll bring that D sign over here. And I'm just going to enlarge it this, so simply make it super large. So I'd probably enlarge this. Okay, you can now alter this photo at that point. So you can make it like that, for example, which kind of matches the overall feel of that background. But you can kind of play around with these different presets, these different filters to kind of find one that you'd like. I'm just gonna click on See All and see if we can just quickly find something. For now, we'll just go with Capari. I think that's fine. The eyes are kind of a bit weird. But again, we'll just keep it like this for now. And then I'm going to add a heading here. That's just to say AI made this thumbnail. And I'm going to do it this way. In addition, I'm going to modify the font to grotesque. This one appeals to me. And then I'm going to go make it massive. So perhaps adjust size more than 80 or less than 100. And then I'm just going to add some effects to this text so you can make it stand out a little more. So it's a matter of experimenting with this and possibly adding a background. Yeah, like that. I like that. So let's see cool. Maybe something like that. Then we might return this text to its position back. So you put a layer and then just send it back one place, which allows it to move underneath that, right? And there you have it. You now have a thumbnail that you can claim as your own, all thanks to AI. You understand the idea now. You can experiment with this and the other settings to create a great background. Change whatever you like, add some glow, and so on. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and leave a comment below. I would love to know your thoughts about creating YouTube thumbnails like this one using AI.